Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Welcome back. Hey. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. Nice to meet ya. Hit that subscribe button below. So today I'm back with another Boxycharm unboxing. This one's a little different because we are comparing boxes. I'm pinning up January against February. Let's unbox and see what we got. Of course, if you don't know about Boxycharm, it is a beauty subscription box that is $21 a month. You get well over $100 worth of beauty products. And in each box, they'll include a card with details on the back of all of the products. And this was January's box, which I did not do an unboxing in January. I'm just a little behind. So we're going to actually compare January's box to February's box and see which box is better. So in January's box, if you haven't already seen all of the mini videos that are on YouTube showing what came in this box's theme was a boxy and chill. In January's box, the first thing that I see is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Havana Night. And the camera's not really focusing in on this one, I guess because it's a clear bottle, but this is the color. This is my first Ofra product, so I'm anxious to try this out because I've heard really good things about Ofra. The next item that I see is Briogeo. And this is a strength and moisture leave-in mask. It has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. You're supposed to spray this throughout freshly washed and damp hair and focus on your mid-length and ends and comb it through. It says, "Don't despair, repair." I love a leave-in conditioner for my hair. It is my favorite thing to put on my hair. I like to spray and go and know that it's going to be moisturized throughout the day. So a bottle like this, throw it in my purse and go. The next thing that I see is Starlooks Black Ultra-Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. This next item I'm really excited about because I've heard so many good things about Tarte. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. Open this up. Ooh, it's pretty. This is the eyeshadow palette. It's got gold all throughout. Beautiful gold metallic, and you open it up. Of course, there's this protector, and we have the beautiful eyeshadows. And then this lovely, gorgeous, big mirror. I just love that. I love the mirror on this thing, and I like that it's a circular palette, and it's compact enough to where you can just throw this in your bag and go. The last thing that I see in the box for January is 2 Tarte Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. So I'm excited to try these. I've heard great things about Tarte. I've never tried their products, so this would be my first. Then for February's box, I've heard so many good things about February's box. I'm excited. The theme for February is Afterglow. The first thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out because this is what has everybody talking. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So I'm really excited to try this. I really like the packaging. Of course, the color, you know, rose gold pink. You already had me at hello. Most mascaras I've tried, it comes in a plastic packaging. This feels more like metal, which is really cool. So I'm really excited to try this. I've heard awesome things about the wand, which looks really different from any wand that I've ever used. So I'm actually gonna skip the lashes today so I can really see how this product performs. Next thing that I see in February's box is Tractique, and this is a prime and color lip glaze. Let's see what color this is. It kind of looks like a burgundy, but I think it comes out more like the color that they show here, and this is in the color English Rose. Then on the other end there is a primer inside, it says. Pull that out, and there we go. We have a lip primer. This is pretty cool. I've never tried a lip primer, so this would be a first. I also like the packaging on this because this top just kind of clicks back in, very magnetic, so that's pretty cool. Then the next thing that I see in the box is the No Pore Blem Primer by Touch and Soul. My camera's not really gonna focus in on this because it is like a matte type of glass, but I've heard really good things about this primer, so I'm gonna try this out today. Then I also see the Pharmacy Clean Bee Facial Cleanser. I like that it looks like honey. Let's see how it smells. It smells okay. It doesn't really smell like honey, but it's not a bad smell. But the consistency and the color is really cool. It actually looks like honey. So I'm excited to try this product out. And then the last product that I see in February's box is the Pretty Vulgar, and this is a highlighter illuminator in the color Shimmering Swan. And I'm actually excited that they sent me a highlighter because a lot of the unboxings that I've seen for February actually had a bronzer, but when you get these subscription boxes, they ask you questions about yourself, and so I don't know, maybe they just didn't have a bronzer for my skin tone, so they sent me a highlighter instead. So we're just gonna put this to the test today. So that is it for the products in January and February's box. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of these products today. All of the products that I can. I'm gonna use the Too Faced mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and use the primer. I'm gonna use the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. I'm gonna give the Tarte eyeshadow palette a whirl, the Starlooks eyeliner pencil, and lastly I'm trying to decide between the two whether I want to try the Ofra Havana Night or whether I want to try the Trustique lip glaze. So it's a toss-up between these two. I'm kind of leaning more in this direction, but let's just see. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this Tarte eyeshadow palette. I already completed my eyebrow look and I have primed my eyelid. There's 8 colors, 7 of them are shimmers. So we have this one matte in here. So I'm gonna go right in on my transition shade with this matte color, and this color is called Tiki. I'm just gonna grab my Morphe E27 brush and go right into that shade. I love that this palette has a beautiful mirror. I'm going to grab my JH41. I'm going to spray it with a little e.l.f. misting spray. So I'm going to go in with Heat Wave first in my inner corner with that color. I'm going to grab my crayon case flat brush, douse that in a little bit of e.l.f. misting spray with the color Malibu. I'm going to take the Morphe E35 highlighting brush and I'm going to go in with the color Treasure. I'm also going to take that on my brow bone highlight. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Morphe 35O palette. I need a darker matte shade. I'm gonna go in with this satiny shade right here in the 35O palette. I just threw that on with a JH34 into the crease, but I'm going to take my Morphe E27 again, and I'm actually going to grab a matte this time, and I'm going to grab that brown matte shade right next to that shimmery shade that I just used. Next, I'm going to go in with Starlooks Black Ultra-Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. Oh, and it's retractable. I'm gonna take that and go right in on my lower lash. I'm gonna take this Morphe E36 small detailed kind of brush, and I'm gonna go in, just kind of buff this out. Now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced mascara. This wand is incredible. Now for the face, I'm gonna go ahead and use this No Pore Blem Primer by Touch and Soul. Wow, this feels great. Wow. This is really different from the primers that I've used in the past. It feels so good going on the face. I do not know how to describe it. It is just so... It literally feels like a skincare product. It does not feel like primer. It's not sticky and tacky. It's just really light and soft and makes your skin feel like you're being pampered. Wow. Wow. I really like this primer. Wow. Really like that. I'm just gonna see how my normal foundation routine performs with this primer that I'm using, which is a different primer than I normally would use. So now that I've completed my foundation, concealer, and contour, and I've set my face, I'm now going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar highlighter with my Morphe JH09. A little bit of blush. I've decided to go in with the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. The finished look. I can honestly say that I'm really surprised. I thought that I would love the Tarte eyeshadow palette a little more than I did. Actually, I really do like it. It's a very nice palette. Although for me, I feel like the shimmers, there's a lot of them. I would have liked just a little bit more, maybe 1 or 2 more mattes in this palette. Just a couple more mattes would have made it like an everyday palette for me. However, I think because of all the shimmer shades, this is probably a great vacation palette. If you just want to take a shimmer shade and throw it all over your lid with some highlight, make sure your skin is flawless after you hit the water for a night out, the perfect summer palette. I think this is a really good palette for that. The highlight, I really do like the highlight. This is a good highlighting color, and I do like the packaging. I think it's so cute. A really good everyday highlighting shade. It is highlighting my face very well. The primer, yes, yes, and yes. I can honestly say that the primer is my favorite. I would definitely be purchasing this primer again. The Ofra Havana Nights lipstick. I like the way that it applies. It's very smooth. It's not drying. It never said that it was a matte. I think I've just become partial to matte liquid lipsticks, and that's what I've become very used to. So this is a little different for me. It's more red than I would normally go, but I do like how it applies. As for the eye pencil by Starlooks, I actually really like this pencil. I like the packaging. I like that it is retractable. I always love a retractable pencil, and it has a lot of product. It applied smoothly and it buffed out pretty good. So I think that those are all great qualities in an eye pencil. As for the Too Faced mascara, it is definitely my favorite mascara applicator that I've ever used, hands down. It didn't really give me the look that I was going for with my lashes by themselves. As you can see, I went ahead and threw on some falsies, and I did go over the falsies with a bit of this to kind of just merge my lashes with the falsies. And if I ever get used to not wearing falsies and just want to wear my lashes, this would definitely be my go-to mascara. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and share. Question of today: do you like Boxycharm? As for me, I love Boxycharm. I think it is my favorite subscription box that I've tried. I think Boxycharm is killing the game. I don't want to leave without doing my weekly shout out. And today I'm going to shout out CR. CR says, thank you for this video, straight to the point, and a starry-eyed face. And this was on my The Crayon Case entire lip collection swatch video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it above. Thank you so much, CR, for your comment. Thank you to all you guys for supporting my channel. Don't forget the giveaway is still open, so I'll link that below so you can enter, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.